Okay, so for today's morning workout, I want to talk about stroke volume, specifically in our Q equals HR times SV volume formula. But like I said, specifically, I want to talk about stroke volume and what factors can affect this. So for just running today, I had really working muscles, and I did experience fatigue, but there is a way I could fix this with just building up my endurance and stuff like that. But I needed blood to be flowing throughout my body consistently because I was consistently moving. And so there's 3 different areas that we know target stroke volume, and that is preload, contractility, and afterload. So with preload, that is the first of all amount of blood that you're able to fill your heart up with. And so we talk about Frank Sterling's law, which was stated in class as greater the stretch, greater the squeeze. So the more blood our hearts can fill up with, the more our heart will be able to pump out. So that's our diastolic, blood or volume of blood, because it's what is already filling up in with the heart. Following that, we have our contractility, which would be our systolic volume. And basically with contractility, it's the contraction itself, is how powerful the heart will be able to contract, how fast the SA node fires and the AV node sends those signals down for the contraction to occur. But the greater the contraction, obviously, would affect preload. It would forcefully push more blood out if there's already a lot of blood in there with a preload. And then we have afterload, which is specifically, like, specific points of that would be our back pressure on the aortic valve specifically, and our afterload could also in the formula, it would affect our cardiac output, which specifically our afterload would decrease it. But all these work hand in hand. Obviously, if our contraction isn't strong enough, we're going to have back pressure on the aortic valve. Not enough blood will be able to get out. Preload, we wouldn't be able to preload. Our heart would not be able to fill up with sufficient blood to pump out.